My name is James Kitetu. I am in the industry of insurance. I began by taking Excel Expert Training 19 Part 1 and 2, which I found very useful. Then I decided to also upgrade and dive into the Data Analyst Diploma, which has been a defining journey in my career. I have gotten a lot of support from the Pitman Training Group and all the employees at Pitman. This is a course that has made a drastic change in my career advancement. I would recommend that for anyone who wishes to pursue any skill in data, to consider Pitman Training Group for this a noble step in their career.